Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix aiming input device locked in Warzone 2. So for example, if you want to change from controller to mouse, you cannot do that, and the answer is simple. So if we go on basically on the top right corner and press on this menu and we go on controller, if you don't see basically this option is locked for you, simply there is two reasons for that. The first one, you are in the game and you cannot change it, and the second one, you're looking for the game. So you are in the lobby, but you basically press ready up and you're looking for a new game. So basically you are in matchmaking. So if you want to change input device, just leave the game or stop the matchmaking and then go to this option and you're able to do that, right? So that's pretty much it what I'm to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.